This is the EdSAP Pro Controller for Nintendo Switch. Also works with PC. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is a little instruction manual. There's a USB cable which can be used to connect it to a PC or to charge it. And this is USB to USB-C connector. It is not a micro USB. It is USB-C, but you may already have some USB-C devices around. And of course, here is the controller itself. This is wireless, of course. It works with the Nintendo Switch. There are other colors of this available as well. You have your directional pad, your two joysticks over here to do whatever you want. A bunch of your buttons. If you play on a Nintendo Switch, you'll know what all of these buttons do and what everything here does. You have a pairing button there and your charge port. Very simple thing like that. There's also a LED panel here that'll show which player it is when this is all configured with the Nintendo Switch. Today I'm just going to be hooking this up to PC. I have a Bluetooth equipped PC over here, and what I'm going to do is come over here and hold down the sync button for a second. We should get flashy lights. Now I'm going to go to add a device, and it comes right up with Pro Controller. So we'll click on that, and we'll click Next. And there we are. Perfect. Now if you have an older PC or one that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can of course just plug it in USB using the supplied cable or another USB to USB-C cable that you may have. Now I know it says controller Xbox 360 for Windows, but it works just the same, and if you look you can see that I can move everything around like that. I can adjust all of those, do that, and then the buttons down below, all the buttons work, the D-pad works, there's other buttons and all kinds of great stuff, and all of that works. And with some sort of emulator software, you can see that the pointer is right there, and when I go ahead and I move the joystick, you can see that the pointer will move as well. And you can of course click and double click as well, and you can right click, for example right there, and do whatever you need to do. Now of course you can use this with the Nintendo Switch as well, and it's basically plug and play with that, whether you hook it up Bluetooth wireless or using a cable. It does have a built-in battery because it is going to be wireless, and that battery will give you approximately 20 hours of playtime and recharges in only 2 hours. It also has vibration feedback, otherwise known as haptics, and that's really all you need to know about it. It's pretty much a direct replacement or additional controller for Nintendo Switch that also works on PC, Windows 7, 8, and 10. Once again, this was the EdSAP Nintendo Switch controller. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.